Good afternoon from Caesars in Las Vegas. I'm Ryan Green. Welcome to Data Cloud Now. I'm joined by Laura Sellers, Chief Product Officer for Collibra. Founded in 2008, Collibra helps you navigate complex data processes to help you find the perfect balance between powerful insights and ease of use. Laura, thank you so much. Welcome to the program. How does the combination of Collibra and Snowflake give enterprise the ability to discover and scale access to trusted data?
Well, thanks, Ryan, for having me. I'm really excited to be here. I cannot get over the energy of all the people, and it's just exciting to be talking with customers and hearing about their data challenges. If we take a little bit of a step back, let me share a little bit about Collibra. We are a data intelligence company, and what we have is a platform that enables organizations to unite all of their use cases around trusted data, all of their users around that trusted data, as well as across any single data source. So I've been with Collibra just over a year now. It's been quite an exciting ride in this busy data space.
It never stops.
No, it doesn't. And so I joined, I took on the Chief Product Officer role in February. And so it's been just thrilling to be here, and there's just so much excitement in this space and what's going on. And what gets me really excited is that Collibra really is the only cloud-native data intelligence platform out there, as well as it's the single platform for a system of engagement for data going forward. So our Snowflake and Collibra partnership has been really strong for many years. We're both industry leaders in this space, and I think what really ties us together is that joint mission and vision to unite customers around governed, accessible, and trusted data going forward. So recently, it was just in January, we announced a more strategic partnership with Snowflake as well to really tie a deeper integration between the two products together. As I said, I think we're both driven on how do we get the most usage of data for our customer base so that they can have it securely accessed and trusted inside any organization going forward.
It's an exciting time in the space. You can hear and feel the energy here at Snowflake Summit. I want to dive into that concept of collaboration. Why is it so important for your customers, and what are the challenges you're helping customers solve?
Well, I think where we really have a joint world here is the world of complexity.
Right.
This is such a complex landscape of data. We have so many customers who have data on-premise, they have it in the cloud, they're moving it to the cloud, so they're dealing with these hybrid environments, and it's a real challenge. The other piece of that is you have all the people. You know, It's not just about the technology and where the data lives, but you have the data analyst and the data stewards and the data engineers and the data scientists. You know, It goes on and on. So trying to work with all of these people and all of these data sources in different areas and all of these technologies, for a lot of our customers, it's often just become data chaos. And it's hard for them to figure out how do we innovate, move it forward, and make good decisions with data when there's this much chaos in how we're dealing with the landscape.
Never a dull moment, that's for sure. You know, I want to take a step back, if you don't mind, Laura.
Yeah.
From a macro perspective, are there any trends that you're noticing?
Oh, there's so many trends. I think, if we take a way macro, data's exploding, and it has been for years. I've been in this space a really long time, but I would say there's two that are top of mind for me. The first being around data quality and observability. I mean, how can you trust data if it doesn't have the right quality going forward? And so you have people trying to write manual rules and figuring out automation of how you get quality data. And it's really fascinating because if you don't have quality data, you're making poor decisions. It can have major revenue impact. It can cause you compliance, regulations issues as far as that quality goes. And so with Collibra, what's been interesting about this from that trend is we really do have a robust platform. We found product market fit, and we continue to add the right technologies within there. We acquired a company, ALDQ, last year.
Oh, congratulations.
And thank you. It's been a huge strategic integration for us, and what we've really found is this is top of mind and a priority for most CDOs that are out there. If I could touch on one more major trend, is the world of data mesh. And I don't know if you're familiar with data mesh, but this has been just fascinating as people have worked through that legacy single centralized architecture and now trying to decentralize that and really become more domain-driven with data mesh. It's not just about the technology that goes with data mesh, it's about people and processes.
Combination.
Yes, and you've got to drive more data literacy and data culture within an organization, and I think what's really fascinating about Collibra, and a big part I'm here, is they've created that platform before data mesh was a thing. They've really created a platform that will continue to expand upon to be able to overarching, sit on top of the modern data stack and help people and processes going forward.
Laura, thank you for your insights. We're at Snowflake Summit. You can hear the buzz all around us. Are there any announcements that you'd like to share with the audience watching?
Yes, I'm very excited to announce we are announcing Collibra Protect. So as I mentioned earlier with our strategic partnership with Snowflake, we've worked really closely with your product teams to co-innovate and have joint roadmaps here. And Collibra Protect is a way to make sure all of your consumers of data within your organization can get access to it quickly and securely. And so we're working closely with your teams to bring that to market. As consumers have gotten more and more concerned about where the enterprises are using their data. This is just huge so that all of your business users can quickly get access to it in a secure way and move at the speed business needs to move.
It's that perfect combination of collaboration, but also impact as well.
Yes.
So, thank you so much for your insights up to this point. I have to ask, Laura, what's next?
Yeah, so I will also just add with our Snowflake partnership, this is just the beginning. We're continuing to expand the offering that we have with Snowflake, that we're excited about that. The other thing that I'm really excited about is we have a really robust platform at Collibra. And so we're really focused on that delightful user experience for the entire enterprise, making sure we're accessible to the masses inside the entire enterprise. We're also working on, we have a robust workflow engine. We're working on a design time that's low code, no code, again, making it more accessible for the masses. And then the other part I'm really excited about is the world of shopping for data. So just like we were able to shop online for things, we're looking at it the same way for users to be able to come in, quickly find the data that's right for them based on reviews, certifications, put it in a shopping basket. But we have so much more to announce. We have a lot coming. We have our own Data Citizens Conference coming up in San Diego in November. And beyond excited to get with customers again and share everything that's coming to market.
Well, Laura, thank you so much for your insights, your perspectives, joining me on Data Cloud Now. It has been an absolute pleasure.
Thank you.
For the audience watching, make sure to catch the on-demand replay at snowflake.com/summit/livestream to explore all the newly announced product innovations at Snowflake Summit. My name is Ryan Green. Thank you so much for watching Data Cloud Now. I'll see you soon.